Hey guys, I'm Jacob with JT Collective Tiny Homes. Welcome to one of our summit models. We're here at Tiny Fest, and come on in, we want to show you the house. This house is as big as we can go for a tiny house on wheels. We're maxing out at just under 400 square feet. We craft specifically custom luxury tiny houses on wheels, and then also moving into the modular sphere. But this one from the bottom up is just built with quality and craft. So we've got a galvanized steel bottom pan to keep rocks and critters out from underneath. It's built with a zip system, which is a high performance vapor barrier inside the walls. We got closed cell spray foam, rock wool, and that's just what's inside the walls, and not as pretty, but working on the building science. And then come on in the house and see what we got there. The concealed fastener system for the standing seam outside, composite wood look. We got a 22 mil wear layer on our flooring. One of the things is that I build tiny houses, and my guys tell me it's just a front for me really to get to build cabinets. And so we build all of our cabinetry in-house. We're sporting Bloom, which is top of the line for like the drawer and door hardware. So we got a bunch of fun little features. You gotta always have a good place for your trash can. So that's built in here. We've got the whole kitchen, tons of space in here. You got the spice cabinet. This one is all electric. It's getting permitted as an ADU in Fresno County. So that's a big thing. We're working with a contractor who is helping to get it set, permitted. They got the built-in office, the living room. We've got Anderson doors and windows, all tempered, all the nickel gap shiplap. Our clients really wanted this custom tile. So my wife actually drove 7 hours to make it happen, to pick up this tile and make it happen in here. So there's a little bit more of the farmhouse vibe. We've got our interior decorator who's here with us this weekend. She helps work with the design, coming up with a mood board, getting you the color schemes and that you'd like. She helps do all the decorating for this. Our clients upgrade. We've got a Mitsubishi mini split dual head up here with an added heater down in the bathroom. Mitsubishi's like the Lamborghini of split units. So plenty of heating and air conditioning. We got dual ERVs to bring in fresh air constantly. These clients took out the washer and dryer. They added instead the his and her sinks. We've got the dueling backlit vanity mirrors here. We've got the rain glass shower, again with the tile back behind it, traditional toilet. We kind of moved from the gable roof to this stained wood accent up here in the bathroom that I just think is gorgeous. I love the wood tones, so it's fun to get to see that happen. And then come on in. We got some pocket doors going into the bedroom. Again, we're carrying that wood tones all the way through. Another heating air conditioning unit. We've got a queen bed in here now. We can also fit a king. We've got tons of storage added up and around. Again, we love that Bloom under cabinet and drawers. So tons of these. There's 8 drawers and some cabinets throughout here. It's all the soft close. If you appreciate carpentry, this is all 9-ply Baltic birch. We've got mahogany dowels holding our drawer boxes all together. This paint is pretty cool. It's a color called Waterloo. It's all an Italian Ceralac paint that we put on it and get to do it all of ourselves. And then, of course, what's a bedroom without the closet? So this is one of the armoires that's going into this bedroom. Kind of the his side, because rather than hanging long dresses, they got the hamper down here instead. By the end of it, our clients will be adding a second armoire in this bedroom. And then we got the exit out the back. So this house is going, it's getting set close to a river. It's a gorgeous view. This will look out through a landscape yard and you'll have the river just down the way. Yeah. All right, guys, come on back in here to the living room one more time. Take a look at this. Again, we got lots of storage, lots of cabinetry, the pot filling, faucet, all those amenities. We can do heated floors. Kind of the sky's the limit on customizations. We love to craft homes and make them unique. So it starts with kind of getting to know us as a builder, and then we get to know you and your dreams, set it all up, see what you're wanting, and then we help build that out in 3D. We help get the mood board to customize it for you, and then we get to craft the home for you and see it deliver. Something sacred about building homes, and we love to craft them. So again, this is Jacob with JT Collective Tiny Homes. Check it out.